Welcome to my YouTube channel Earth of Knowledge.
Who was the first youth to accept Islam? Zaid ibn Harith, Ali ibn Talib, Abdullah ibn Umar, other. Correct answer is Ali ibn Abi Talib radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. What is the name of the festival celebrated by Muslims to mark the end of the Ramadan? Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Laylatul Qadr, Isra and Miraj. Correct answer is Eid al-Fitr. How many rakats are there in the Fajr prayer? 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer is 2. What is the name of the prayer performed at sunset? Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib. Correct answer is Maghrib. Who was the third Caliph of Islam? Umar ibn Khattab, Usman ibn Affan, Abu Bakr, Ali ibn Abi Talib radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Correct answer is Usman ibn Affan radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. What is the Arabic term for the obligatory charity in Islam? Saum, Zakat, Hajj, Salat. Correct answer is Zakat. What is the name of the prayer performed in the mid-morning? Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Doha. Correct answer is Doha. Who was the fourth Caliph of Islam? Umar ibn Khattab, Usman ibn Affan, Abu Bakr, Ali ibn Abi Talib radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Correct answer is Ali ibn Abi Talib radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. What is the name of the battle in which the Muslims dug a trench around Medina for protection? Battle of Uhud, Battle of Badr, Battle of Khandaq, Battle of Hunayn. Correct answer is Battle of Khandaq.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.